Yeah, man. We are in, baby. Guys, I made a mistake. I took a nap. That's bad. Probably don't want to take a nap, folks. Usually I put my little poopy. You guys know what I'm talking about. The startup screen. But I'm doing without it right now. And that will be okay. How am I not live? Am I live? I'm afraid to click that. Yeah, I'm live. Alright, cool. I don't know why this isn't seeing it, but oh, I know why. Content here, there. There's my chat. There's my YouTube chat. Alright, cool. Let me send the Facebook alert out, and then we are going to get started. Man, I wanted to play. I'm like, man, you streamed almost 5 hours earlier. You don't have to stream again. Hey, what's up, Rhodes? How you doing, man? But that's why. That's why I wanted to go live. Say hi to Rhodes, man. Think I'm kidding? I'm chilling, and I had some gaming left in me, and I'm like, you know what? I want to play the astrologer because I have a plan, guys. I have stuff to do. We're going to go over here and get that invasion guy, patches, right? Maybe we can knock out this dragon, man. Our dogs are high level, guys, for the dragon. Let's go round 2. I could make it round 1. Yeah, dude. Caleb, how you doing, man? I know we missed you, man. I went early, though, man. It was a different time. It was a different time. It was a different place. But now we are live on the astrologer. This is the new one that I made to enjoy. I'm doing this on Facebook. I'm doing this on YouTube because Facebook got to see the astrologer playthrough, but YouTube never did. So we're doing this here, and this is a replay of my very first playthrough with some minor adjustments. The minor adjustments are like I've gotten better at the game, so I might actually use more than one spell. My first playthrough, I used Rock Sling. Am I saying I never used any spell? Like on a boss? Pretty much no. Rock Sling. Meteorite Staff, Astrologer Close. I finished the game off the ground, folks. With the loot off the freaking ground. I think that's where I'm going right there. Adam Freeman. Adam, how you doing, dude? Chess tomorrow, man. We gotta play, bro. We gotta play, my brother. We have an absolutely amazing chess stream in the best community in the world. Wait. In the world. Very special effects here at Charlie Soto Gaming. Very fancy. Big time. We get chill vibes that abide, as Jay Williams would say. I talked to that fool, so he should help me. Rock Sling is going to help me like on the first freaking whack at this dude. And then once my hunter comes. Brennan back row. Brennan, what's up? Charlie, I've been really into early access game called Scum. It's an open world survival game like Rust or DayZ. Been having a blast playing with friends and building a base. Brennan, dude, that is so much fun. You're gaming, bro. You are a gamer. And I freaking love that about you, man. Okay, we're going to do a couple rock slings on this fool. You better drink, buddy. Backing up one more time. That was probably greedy. Now, my helper's here. Now you're dead. Now you're dead. I'm taking you to my helper. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. This guy's toast. You're toast. You better... Problem with the dodging, you got to dodge too. I got to get my timing right. Or get it wrong. You know what I'm saying? My timing... You better come after me, buddy. Oh, he's toast. Look at that, guys. That was probably my easiest one of those, man. Oh, should I say thank you? He's gone. Hey. We'll say thank you to that guy, man. That guy was cool. Patches, man. Patches, I'm really scared of patches. It could be a problem. Did I miss the workshop? I didn't have the workshop, man. I was planning on it, and we did not end up having the workshop. I think I mentioned I was going to have it once earlier, and then we never kind of confirmed and shoved it up your noses. You know what I'm saying? I would say, but it's time for a workshop. I have a gig Friday night, but the gigs, man, I go home from work at 2 a.m., guys. I can freaking... I can, go live by 4 on Saturday. You know what I'm saying? Probably should drink up a little bit. Yeah, so let's plan on that next weekend. Oh! Dude. There's a lot of sisters. Is that all? I remember there being more ads. Guys, I just got done watching the most amazing stream. I'm going to tell you guys something right now. Who here watched Nick Merckx and Tim the Tatman with whatever pro they were playing with? FaZe, Swag, or one of those fools, right? One of those guys that's on Call of Shame all the time. No, I don't really know that to be true. I don't know. Did anybody watch Nick Merckx and Tim the Tatman doing the nuke attempts while being stream sniped? It was the most engaging thing I think I've ever watched content gaming-wise. Live. 1000%. It was so cool. It was so exciting. Guys, this guy Lil Aggie, he's a Elden Ring streamer. He was up for Streamer of the Year, and I'll tell you something, man. He's so chill. He reminds me of my son, the way he talks and stuff. And he's doing a no-hit run in Elden Ring, but he's doing it randomized. So every boss is random, and he starts with random classes. So he has to pick the class that he thinks is best, and then he has to build it as he goes. And like he could log in, he could zone into Margit, like the first real boss, right? And it could be Placidux, it could be Millennia, random. And if he gets hit one time, he starts over. And tonight, he went damn near 4 hours, I think it was, without getting hit. And he was at Godfrey's room. And phase 1 was a Night Cavalry, which is easy for him. Phase 2 was one of those freaking, what are they called, man? Who's there? Phase 2 was one of those, they're those evil things that freaking teleport really close to you and they spit like poison or evil stuff at you. You know the ones I'm talking about? Is there a boss here? Oh, this is Patches. That's right. I'm like, what am I doing here? So, and he finally got hit, guys. He got hit. But he's I think around 960 runs in. Oh, we got to steal clothes first. He's about 960 runs into this this challenge, guys. No hit, randomized. And he was so close. And I just watched it, guys. I just watched for hours, man. I was making dinner. Come on down, buddy. I want to stagger your butt. Yeah, you better have a freaking shield because don't let him get close. I might have to go Glintstone. I might have to meet the Flintstones. He's trying to put the poopies on me. Yeah, we got to go. We should go Glintstone, right, guys? We don't have the range. Well, we got some range here. Let's get one on. One rock. Oh my God. He's almost 50%. That's when he gives, right, guys? Doesn't he give around 50? Ooh, do I hit him with all three of those? We need mana. No, he's gonna poke me. He's gonna freaking poke me. Glintstone time. Should I kill him? Not gonna kill him. So, wow, I just ran in the poopies, guys. That was stupid. So that's what I've been doing the last few hours, guys. I made steak and eggs for dinner. Oh, it was so good, man. Thank you, my friend. Restarted my playthrough, so I gotta get to end game in Elden Ring. Nice. Yeah, cool, Brennan. Thanks for being here, man. Yeah. So that's what I freaking did all night, and it was I was just consuming content, guys. Consuming content. Gotta talk to Patches, right? And I wanted to play, man. I got hyped up from watching some streamers, some great streamer play Elden Ring, and I'm like, I want to play the Astrologer. Now, what I might normally do if I wasn't going to stream, I would just go to Radagon on the Snow Witch playthrough. Oh, is he done? Yeah. I'd go to Radagon on the Snow Witch playthrough and just practice Radagon. And then maybe even get into Elden Beast and practice him too. But it kind of sucks because if I get close to killing him, I have to quit because I'm not streaming. And you guys are committed. You guys have been watching, right? So, okay, that was my plan over here. I guess let's go kill the dragon, guys. Did we rest? No, we gotta rest, guys. We gotta rest. We gotta kill a dragon. We're gonna kill the big dragon. He's not that nasty. We're gonna summon our dogs because we can, because this is an enjoyable run, and it's the relive playthrough of what I did last time. Not last time, in my first playthrough ever, guys. Just takes me back, man. Takes me back 1,300 hours ago. And I misspoke a while ago and said I have 1,400 hours. I have 13. But that was a few days ago. So we're probably creeping up to 1,350 right now. And that was a long time ago, man. 1,350 gameplay hours is a long freaking time ago. I don't usually come from this angle. I don't know if I'm going to, like, aggro him. Is he going to come? You know what I'm saying? Does he come? Like, where does he spawn if I... Let me get the rock sling up. Oh, I got a flask too, but my flasks suck. Get the rock sling up. Because it is a rock sling playthrough, even though I am not committed to it. The dragon glitched on this cliff one time, guys. He jumped up there and sat there. Like Malakath sitting on the pole. He was just sitting up there. And I was wearing my leather hat. I looked like Indiana freaking Jones while I was streaming. I don't know why, guys. Forgive me. It was weird. But I made a reel. I made a short, a YouTube short. Like, this is a glitch. And if you throw something at him and then wait 3 seconds, you know, and say Beetlejuice 3 times and then throw another thing, he'll be stuck there forever. He was already stuck there. And someone literally is like, in the comments, they're like, yeah, how would this be useful? This is a cool glitch, but how would it be useful? It's like, sorry, bro. Just bring the dogs in now. They're probably going to do something stupid, right? And, oh, the flask is a half a heal. Cameron Ayers, dude, what are you doing, Cameron, man? Thanks for being part of the stream. In the head. 1. Go get a stagger. Mike get a stagger. Right here. Got one. Oh, I wasted a health pot, guys. We got a stagger, though, and dogs are full health. This guy's toast. But now I can still die, though, because we're early game, right? Terrain! That was a good move, huh? The dogs might have took... Oh, my God. He's wiping out the dogs with the fire! That's not fair, man. This game is not fair. He's doing another fire, guys. It's okay. He's almost there. Do the fire again. I like the fire. I ducked the fire. There he goes. I ducked the fire. I hit you with a couple of rock slings. I hide. You do nothing. You go down. You go down another 10%. But you know what he's doing? The dogs, guys. Oh, I got hit. I told you. I died? There's no way. Adam Freeman, I like YouTube streams because I can go in and out. Screen shrinks and stays with me. On Facebook, it just shuts completely. Cool. Cameron Ayers says, what's up, Charlie? No doubt eating a big old ham sandwich. Dude. Oh, did I not pick the steak of Marika? Ooh, baby, when you talk like that. Well, that touched your big toe. Yeah, it did. It did, and it killed me. I got a little cocky there, guys. I'm cool with it, though, man. Because all you got to do is not die. You have to watch... you have to use the terrain on these fights where the dragons spit poopies. I mean, unless you're smart. Unless you're good. Like a dragon, like Elden Beast is technically a dragon, right? If you're close to him, you run behind him. Duh. Ooh, look at all the mushrooms. Oh, my God. Come on. I don't have time to be healing off trash mobs, guys. Guys, I've been giving Trey a hard time because he died to trash mobs the other day when we were streaming. Oh, he's up. Okay, I got to get close enough to where my dogs don't attack the wrong thing. I want to put the rock sling on his head, folks. He's even breathing fire right now just to tease me. I didn't hit him with one. Too far. We got a drink. The dogs are on you, bro. Look at the dogs. I should not be here because I'm going to get hit by fire. And those won't hit. Dogs, would you get over there, please? He's going to make fire. I'm going to get hurt. It's going to suck. Life's going to suck. Rock sling, folks. It's a freaking... It's what's for breakfast. We got a stun. I didn't drink. Didn't punish a stun. I don't have it on his head. I felt like that was dumb. Okay, that was dumb. We got to heal up, guys. We know that. Oh, he turned into me now. Oh, we're still up, guys. We're still up. And we got one dog. We got one dog, and this guy's hurting. Come on. Zero damn on that last engagement. Come on, doggy, get in there. Good, distract him. I know if I target his head. Dog's gone. And I'm in the middle of the world with no fire protection. Got him. Woo! Done. 2 attempts, folks. That's bad. Alright, cool. As Facebook partner, do you own any meta stocks? Adam, that's a very funny question to ask. And it's actually a smart question. It's a good question. The answer is no. I personally, this is not financial advice. I am not in the market right now. I'll tell you, back in the day, I did some dumb things, man. Well, what do we have here? What do we have to do here, quick? Oh, yeah. There's a catacomb up here. That's why I wanted to get patches. I do not own any stocks in Meta. Years ago, a smart, I'd say a smart friend, not smart. I told you, I read a lot of investment books when I was younger. I felt like I had to. I felt like it was my due diligence. You know, I'm young. I'm going to be having a life. And I read books on real estate, investing in stocks. There's a great book. I've repeated this before. I've said this before. There's an old standard called How to Make Money in Stocks, where it literally tells you how to look at the company's financials and do the math and decide if it's a good, if the stock is cheap or not. If it's a reason, you do your own work. You know what I'm saying? Because I made a mistake, guys. This buddy of mine, he was like, dude, what's the freaking stratosphere in Vegas? The big, tall, it looks like a Space Needle. Stratosphere. Stratosphere was trading at $23, you know, a year ago. Now it's down to $5. You saw, it looks pretty bad for him. But if they make it back, if they come back, it might be a good buy. It might be a good buy. I didn't do any of the research. I didn't do any of the research that I learned from the book, guys. And I bought $500 in Stratosphere. You know what happened? I lost $500. They went bankrupt. They went bankrupt. Yet 6 months later, I'm in Vegas, and we literally stayed there. And I'm like, you can't stay in business. If you go bankrupt, you can't stay in business. I want my $500. I'm walking around the casino going like, you owe me a slot machine. Like I own that, right? Meta is going to give out 0.50 dividends this quarter for every stock owned owners. Really? Yeah, I don't know much about that kind of stuff, man. I mean, I say I don't. I probably know a lot about it. Would you leave me alone, frog? I call them frogs. They're not frogs. Now watch. I'm dead. I did that to shoot these guys. Dude, I almost had him too. So yeah, I don't know about that, man. I don't know about that, but I'm not looking to get into the stock market right now. You know what I'm saying? Investing is smart. Consult your financial advisor, right, guys? I literally talk about stuff like, oh my god. I talk about stuff like I'm freaking Fox News. Like someone's going to sue me for $7.3 billion. You know what I'm saying? That's how I talk. I'm like, this is not financial advice. Oh my god, there's one behind me. Where'd he come from? Okay, I don't think I have to drink. Oh god, they're both throwing pooperies at me, guys. I might get hit by one, but we killed one, so that's good. Stop throwing poopies at me. See, like, he throws the poopy at me. Okay, now I think someone's gonna drop on me. Come on, get him! There we go, there we go. This is an early catacomb. That's why it's so easy, guys. You walk in, you open the door, you get a boss. Basically, you'll get 50 cents for every Facebook stock you own. It's a bonus. People who own a stock are going to make thousands, if not millions. Hey, Cat! How you doing, Cat? What's going on with you? Somewhere, a heavy door opened. So that's the entire catacomb right there. But it's the introduction to the Indiana Jones. Come on. Okay, just run to the bus. 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 Now the dogs will be on the door. I have mana. Yeah, wait, we need mana. I hope I made room. LOS and dogs. Oh my god, I can't summon the dogs over there, guys. You know why? Because they'll hit the door. Dogs! I'm dead. So close! So close. Cat, what's up? I made an astrologer build to do this. You know, and people they're not gonna make, it's not like some windfall. You know what I'm saying? Imagine this, Adam. Here's how it works. Oh. if let's say you have a company, and I buy part of it. I'm a 50% partner. Okay? And then you say, hey, you're my partner. I'm going to give you a $5,000 bonus today. Well, out of the company's money. So even though it seems like it's free, oh, there's 3 now. And I'm trapped. And, okay, I want to drink. Hopefully we can summon the dogs now. So, yes, I get the money. But the company I own part of goes down in value. Do you understand what I'm saying? It's a good thing, but it's not free money. It's not free money. If you guys want to attack that guy and maybe he'll attack you for a second, that'd be great. He roared. This guy's got no chance, guys. This is a beginning catacomb, and I freaking died. Oh, by the way, we'll go ahead and hot drop count while we're at it. Get him, dogs. The dogs are so distracting. You gotta love to see it, and you love to see picking up the runes too. You know what I mean? You know what I mean, Adam? Yeah. So that's a way for them to, appease their investors, make their investors feel good, because their investors could just sell the stocks, right, and then get their money back. It's a small amount compared to what the stock is worth, I think. Yeah, I've been watching lots yesterday. It was a good stream. Yeah, Cat, cool. Yeah, yesterday was. Yeah. So it's a thing. They're called dividends, right? It's a dividend. If they, I don't know if that is exactly a dividend, because what? Get out of my life. These things are hard to kill, huh? That thing was annoying, man. He was annoying because I'm trying to read chat. Anything that annoys me when I'm reading chat, oh my god, there's another one. They're everywhere, guys. Cat, they're attacking me. These little poopies are attacking me. They won't leave me alone. We had a great stream earlier today, Cat, with Drew and Trey, where what did we do? We got Malekith. We got Melinda. We got, well, there's no, oh my god, there's another one. There's no glory in this. But Gideon went down. And then we wiped, I think, one time to Godfrey. And I'm hitting the rock. We wiped one time to Godfrey, and then we had summoning problems. Sometimes the Elden Ring summoning can be a little glitchy, guys. I feel like I want to jump up this just because I don't know if I've been over here. Whoa. Give me that free loot. Can I get the loot? Can I get the loot? Good. Grab all mushrooms, guys. They are what you use for sleep pots, okay? This is Charlie Sardo Gaming instructional. Come on. Instructional video where he doesn't even know how to use the Airstream. Whee! What do you do? What am I holding something down? Am I running or something? Maybe no spacebar? I always choose the high ground, guys. It's very Fortnite. Yeah, well, they're all great streams. Oh, Cat, thank you. Well, I'll tell you something. You were part of some great streams too, Cat. Cat, we got to get you back in. You watched it. Cool. We got to get you back in, Cat. I need to pour, guys. I need to pour. I shut off the coffee can light, guys, but we'll turn it back on. I got to pour something. Because we're getting ready for bed, guys. I'm a bad tenant, guys. I'm a bad tenant. I'm gonna explain why, guys. Here we go, guys. Just had to pour a little coffee, guys. You gotta drink coffee to stay up, right? I'm a bad tenant. Not because I do actually scream, and sometimes it's come up before. It's come up before where they've heard me screaming in my unit. It's a tiny house. It's a small house, guys. It's not like an apartment. There's no attached buildings, okay? But oh, loot over here. But I'll tell you why I'm a bad tenant. Because I thank God, thank the universe, whatever you guys think. I usually have my rent money every month. I forget to pay it. The worst thing you can do to somebody when you owe them money, when they owe you money, when you owe them money, is make them ask you for it. Like if I say, Dad, I need 500, because something happened. My dad's like, yeah, man, here's 500. He should never have to ask me for that money back. I should give it to him. Do you know what I'm saying? You shouldn't have to ask for money that you're owed. Not if you're dealing with quality people. Well, welcome to the stream, folks. As I just said, I think I'm not a quality tenant because I forget to pay my rent. Because when you know you have the money, right? It's no stress. If I didn't have the money and I was scrounging and like, oh man, I got to take a gig, or I got to not eat this week, or I got to, something, right? Then you would know, you'd be all about that rent, No trouble. I bring the booty back, right? You guys would be bringing booty back, right? But I'm not bringing booty back, if that makes sense. I am not all about that rent. I know I owe it, and I forget. And so, what's today, guys? The 4th? 2-4? Guys, in freaking 13 minutes, it's going to be 2-5. I have never paid my rent late. Rent late. Well, no. I pay it late every week. But the thing is, I don't pay it late because I don't have it. I paid late because I freaking don't think about it. You know what I'm saying? I've always had it. I think I've always had my rent, even during COVID, guys. I was very fortunate during COVID. But I live in a small house, so it's kind of easy to get by. Let's go level up the dogs, guys. That's why we did that catacomb. GFR. Okay. So guys, I gotta pay my rent, man. I wrote the check even today though, so that shows intent, right? Dude, all I gotta do is stick my head out the door. The landlord works, guys. He's outside all the time working on the property. I just stick my head out the freaking door. And the landlord's there. Which the dogs are +3, so we need different glow boards for them. But there was something I wanted to bring. Oh, those are +3. I only got one +3. I only got 1 3. Where the hell is going to be another 3, man? They're going to turn into 4s, guys. They're going to turn into 4s. Caleb, man. Hope you're okay, Caleb. Yeah. 5 lights, sorry. What? Where's the other catacomb? Is there a catacomb, like... Is this a catacomb? It's really annoying to get to. There's got to be a better answer. I think we did this ever jail. I need more glove wart like 2s. Because I want to level more people, man. The dogs are 3. We could probably go to Lake facing cliffs. We're just gonna have to move forward, guys. Lake facing cliffs, man. That's the plan, guys. That's what we're gonna do. If you're new to the stream, my name's Charlie. I play guitar, I play chess, we play Elden Ring After Dark. We're gonna do all the downloadable content. I am not a bad player. I am not a great player. You're probably better than me, but if we played, yeah, might not be. I'm just a decent guy who's got a lot of time in this game. I don't know a lot of locations because chat always like tells me where to go. Oh, I got a scroll, guys. That's good. I just looted that scroll and didn't. Whoa. Revenant beast. Revenant, whatever. That's the freaking nasty, unreadable enemy in this game that's very difficult. It's the one that got a little aggy tonight. They said he might have got a little greedy with some magic, but he might almost kill the thing, and then the thing like just ports at him and kills him. It's like, what? Yeah, it was rough, man. It was rough. Okay, we're gonna talk to this guy up here. I have 7k runes. Oh, we could get a level, but you know what I want? We gotta have a torch, guys. Quality of life, right? Been doing New Game Plus 7. Ooh, with no summons, decided to copy you. It's hard. Got back. Carry a manor. Oh, man. Yeah, NG plus 7. No summons is hard, man. My NG plus 7, I didn't do no summons. I'm doing my NG 8 no summons. And I'm at the Elden Beast. And I'll tell you guys something. You guys ready for some After Dark? I'm going to tell you guys something. I think I told Trey offline. I don't think I told you guys. I was, you know, I've been stuck at Elden Beast on my Snow Witch for a couple weeks. Literally 6 streams, probably 15 hours. Where I'd have gone to Elden Beast, I can't kill him. I haven't killed him yet. Sometimes I practice off stream, guys. It's a streamer thing. You got to, right? All right. I was practicing like way back when. Early cat. Maybe before you even... You're the one that recommended the Malekith Blade, right? Maybe even before Malekith's Blade. It was. I had Elden Beast at like 8%. I had like 5 health pots and I was playing the game. You know what I did? I died. On purpose. Because I didn't want to accidentally kill him. Because I'll come back to the stream and people will be like, "Where's the Elden Beast? What happened? I want to see it. Can I watch the replay?" It's like, I was practicing. I was enjoying the game. I was playing. Good. This guy has the lamp. I probably should get this too. Now we got no levels. Now we got no freaking levels, guys. Ooh, I might have some runes on me though. I have a remembrance too that we could probably burn. Been doing, yeah. Oh, it's hard. LOL got back to Carrier Manor. Yeah, Carrier Manor is fun. The orange dog, he's like a glass cannon kind of thing, man. He's real fast. And he's scary. Is that Carrier Manor? No, no, that's not Carrier Manor. Carrier Manor is Loretta, right? But Orange Dog is not that hard solo because he dies fast. You know what I'm saying? You just got to dodge a few attacks and you can get him. But, yeah, Loretta. I'd actually probably rather have my summons for Loretta than for Orange Dog. Level up, not even close. I need about 1,300 ruins. Leave. Let's check him out, folks. Inventorio. That's my second son. His name is Inventorio. Use. What do we got here? 7,500. Well, looks like maybe we might get a level or 2 then. Yeah, I'll be gutted if I miss you slaughtering that beast. That's what I'm saying, cat. That's what I'm saying. Okay, we have 2 levels, guys. Vig is at 16. All we're putting points in this whole playthrough. Vig, Mind, and Intelligence. Now, I may, at some point, put some Endurance. As a matter of fact, I'm feeling good about my Mind. I'm feeling good about my Intelligence. I'm going to put a point in Vig, and I'm going to put a point in Endurance, guys. Endurance is a quality of life scenario, guys. Endurance is the green bar. And the green bar, it won't go down right now, but the green bar goes down when you're in combat and you're running, it goes down. Every time I cast a spell, the green bar goes down because it takes stamina. Oh, don't shoot that guy. It takes stamina. And then it takes time for it to come back up. If you run out of green bar, you can't cast. You run out of green bar and the Elden Beast goes to swipe you, you can't roll. Because you got no stamina. So, it's a thing. Stamina is a thing. I kind of almost... Well, you know one thing I'm going to do is we're going to go ahead and grab the dirty map fragment. Because it's an important part of the process. Where is it? Oh my god. Are those revenants? They look like them, but they're not, because they're not teleporting at me. Now, oh, here it is. I found the map frag, guys. These guys killed me last time, too. I got it. Alright, good. Now, I want to follow a little bit this way. Oh, there's an Evergel up here. Let's go do it. Yeah, I had one thing happen. My internet went out. What? I'm trying to remember what boss it was. It was on a certain playthrough. It was Radon. It was Radon, and I was fighting with Radon with this build. And chat was with me for like an hour. We're fighting Radon, couple hours, whatever. Never did it. My internet goes out. So I'm not streaming. So you can play Elden Ring offline. So I'm like, I'm going to go practice Radon. Thank God I hit record. Because I killed him. I killed him off stream. To me, not cool. Not cool. No one was really mad at me or anything. Okay, we need rock slings to open. And I want to be on the flat. I can get a stagger here. I didn't get it. Get it here. Why no stagger? He's too close. He puts the fire giant poopy ball at me, guys. Can he not dodge? He just drank. You can't drink. See, those are harder for him to roll. That's a little close for a rock sling, guys. Whoa, nailed him with all three, though. Yep, and now we're just being dumb. Come on. Come on. The poopy! It never hit me, guys. Oh, God. I don't want to die. That's a huge opportunity to punish, but I had to drink up because I screwed up earlier. These are great, man, because they just, even when they miss, they hit. You know what I'm saying? Oh, I should have never done that, but it's getting close. Get him. Got him. There we go. Rock sling, folks. Rock sling is easy, man. It's a good thing. Rock sling is a good thing. We didn't leave any runes here. No. We spent all our runes on levels. Yeah. So the early stream, we did, gosh, almost 5 hours of Elden Ring earlier today, and that was fun. The invasions are, oh wait, you know what I should do? Oh, I don't. Is there? Do they give you the dirty tongue? Where do you get the dirty tongue to get the PvP invasions? Because I have one on my other character. Cat says, good game. Cat, thank you. Cat, do you know where I get The Taunter's Tongue. I don't have one, but I have it on my other character. Because I would totally do that. Invasions are freaking hilarious. Okay, we need to run north. We're going to go back down the Amigos Airstream. You'll be... Oh, yeah. So I'll be curious to know, man. I'd be curious to know where you get that. Oh, and you know what? Lightscar Ruins. I'm trying to remember what's in the basement at Lightscar Ruins. Does anyone know? Since I don't know, it's probably not. That's the kind of poopies that those guys throw at you. And these go actually really far. See that? Where's the basement at Lightscar Ruins? The Taunter's Tongue is the best thing for luring invaders. But I'm going through the Lightscar Ruins. I'm not seeing a basement. Everyone's all... Every ruins has a basement. It's like, cool. I believe you. Where the hell's the basement for this one? Demon X Games. I paid a little attention to names. Oftentimes I didn't even know the place you were talking about, even though I've run through this place a million times. No, I don't. No, you don't. No, you don't need to look it up for me, Cat. I mean, if you did, I would be mad. But are you talking about like Lightscar Ruins? This place I'm at right now. These Lightscar Ruins. Oh wait, maybe over here. Oh god, now we got a night. Now we got night on our butt, folks. I don't see it, man. I think, and there's the Grace. We already touched the Grace. I feel like I'm not even bringing booty back right now, guys, which is really embarrassing. Because if you're not bringing booty back, I mean, what are you really doing, right? What are you really doing? I don't see a basement, man. There might be one more chunk of ruins over here. There are a couple. Okay. Oh, these guys, man. Ooh, we got Blood Rose. We're not going to be doing any... Oh, wait, right here. Dude, a ritual pot? Yeah, wait. Now get me out of here. Okay, so I think we might be getting close. Hey! Okay, so they didn't lie to me. Demon X Games, how you doing tonight, my friend? What are you into, man? What kind of stuff do you do, Demon X Games? Curious? I know where it is, but kind of hard to guide you to it. Demon X, there it is. Thank you. Why is that room empty, man? Big room, no boss. Wraith Calling Bell. What does it do? How come there's no boss here? Bielski, what are you doing, man? Charlie, what's happening, brother? How we doing this evening after dark as I finally finished Karo Cannon base in No Man's Sky and turned into a very lucrative farm. Nice, man. No Man's Sky. Isn't that what that one other game is based on? Star Field? Star Craft? Bought the game, guys. I haven't bought a game in a minute, man. I haven't bought a game in a minute, guys. Ain't gonna lie. But you know, when I want a game that I think I'm gonna stream, I buy the game because, you know, streaming. Is this like right up to where the Everjail was, where I just was? I think it is. Wait. Malfactor? Yeah, that's it for sure. Okay, I'm not going that way. Oh, I haven't done anything for a while. I'm planning on a new channel. Nice. At the moment, though, just went back to do my education again. It's hard studying after not having done it in so long. I bet, man. You know, I say that a lot of times about kids. I mean, they could be 8-year-old kids, but you know what 8-year-old kids do? They go to school every day and they freaking learn. And you know what I call them? Professional learners, right? And when you get to be, you know, a little older like me, you don't exactly spend as much time learning, although I actually spend a lot of my life learning. Little babies' brains are growing, man. They just grow. And because of this, they can learn things so fast. Bielski, it's a game with 18 quadrillion planets with all different ecosystems and kind. I'll cut. Wait. Bielski, you had me at pretty flowers. Cat said the taunted tongue is in the round table hold by the balcony on the lower third level. Wait, on the lower level below. Okay. So I have to go down there and beat the invader? Is that where you get it? Because I will. Demon says, I do love learning. It's just book learning is a bit hard. I'm so used to watching YouTube videos to learn. Right. Well, I would imagine a certain amount of learning education these days, they do it by video, right? They're like, okay, part of the curriculum, watch this video. You know what I'm saying? And you might, I mean, I don't know, but you're saying that it's rough because that's not exactly how you're used to doing it. But yeah, I think most people probably, what do they call it? You know, like when they advertise for like a trade school, hands-on training. People are like, that's good. That's how I learn, hands-on, right? I think almost most people learn best by hands-on training. Where the hell is the, I got a Grace way up there, yet I can't find the freaking, Albironic. Oh, wait. That's a clue. That's a clue to the Albironic, guys. So, yeah, I see it now. Most people learn from better, I think, from hands-on training. But you were. I know that you weren't saying that. You were talking about you're good at learning from YouTube. But a lot of people can learn really good from hands-on training. The problem is there's not always enough time to give everyone hands-on training. For doctors, for instance, right? There's so much stuff to learn. You have to be able to learn from a book. If you can't learn from a book, you can't be a doctor. You know what I'm saying? It's just, maybe that's my problem. Maybe that's why I'm not a doctor, guys. No, I'm a doctor of Facebook gaming, folks. Now I'm running out of stamina. Building it back up. This guy's getting melted by the freaking pebble, folks. He's gone. Learning is a crazy thing because it gets harder as you get older. It just does. You would think, no, you're wiser. You're smarter. You know how to learn. You have patience. Doesn't matter. Doesn't. Oh, wait. You're not wrong. Hands-on training is often the fastest way to learn for most people. Yeah. But like I said, when you have thousands of years of evolution to learn, it has to be condensed into a book. You know what I'm saying? You can't say, okay, what do I do next? Well, back in the 1200s, they used to remove an infected toenail like this. Then in the 1400s, they did it like this. And you got to, like, you know, you want hands on that? You know what I'm saying? There's not enough time in the day. Not enough time in the day. So the hands-on thing, I think learning by YouTube videos, I would think would be a good thing for you. But school, what? You got to go in there. You said you're continuing your. Is there loot right here? What is that? I don't remember that loot because you can barely see it. You got to go into a class. We're gonna go kill this fool across the street, guys. And I'll tell you this: he's no joke. But we're gonna put the dogs on him, and we're gonna put the poopies on him. I need health pods. I need mana pods. I'm more gifted in learning when it comes to creative things, especially because you can just do it, right? Like, want to learn guitar, learn by doing. You're sitting and reading a book. Yeah. You know what, man? I think anybody Anybody would have a horrible time learning something if they didn't care about it. Loot over here. I think I just saw something glow. Is this what I saw? If you don't care about it, it's going to be really freaking hard to learn it. Right? And or if you're not passionate about it. Was this the piece I saw? Larval tier. That'll be great for, you know, later after we kill Renalala, so we can... That's why they gave us that, so we can respec, guys. That's for the guy that screwed up his spec. So, when you're passionate about something, learning it is fun, right? So I don't know what you're learning, man. But if you could try and like develop some kind of interest in it, some kind of passion, maybe, you might. That was a pretty good dodge, huh? There's no way. That was the cheesiest thing I've ever seen in my life. I think they won't come down here. Now, we got to get the dogs. Now, here's a problem with this guy. This guy's going to be a problem. He hits real hard. And there's also 2 rot dog ads. 100%. My wife, during her high school days, really struggled. But she studied aerospace engineering, and she was top of her class because she loved it. Yes, aerospace engineering. Yeah. Things Charlie might fail out of. Yeah, French. And aerospace engineering. My grandfather, check this out. Demon X Games. My grandfather on my mother's side, he was her adopted dad, but he raised her since she was a baby. He's my grandpa. He's passed on. His name was John. Huge, tall German. I say huge. Tall, white hair, blue eyes. I mean, straight out of the book, man. And he was on the cover back in the day. If you've heard of Time magazine, before Time magazine, it was called Time Life magazine. And before Time Life magazine, Time magazine was called Life magazine. And it was huge. You take a regular magazine and add like, 3 inches to the top and 2 inches to the side. It was big. And my grandfather was on the cover of that magazine. And back then it was huge. It was a huge magazine. It would be equivalent to being on the cover of Time magazine today. And it was a bust shot of him. Like maybe you saw his chest and his face. And he had a responsible smile on his face. And the heading was, "Why this man is the most important person in your life." And I don't know exactly what the article was, but I know I believe he worked for Lockheed, which I think now might be Lockheed Martin. They do airplanes and probably aerospace too, that kind of stuff, right? He worked there doing something. And so the article, it had something to do with his job. I don't know if I'd like to say he invented something really special. Probably didn't invent something really special. Maybe he was working on a project that was going to make like a new airplane or a new fighter jet that was going to protect the United States from the Russians back, 60 years ago or something, right? But he was in the is airplanes considered aerospace? It's air and it's space. Yeah. So you can summon that lady to help with that boss. What? Where is her freaking dirty finger though? Does she have a dirty finger? Yeah. So that's what he did. And he worked at Lockheed Martin. Or Lockheed. Okay, is like the dirty finger up here? I don't see. I like to see the dirty fingers. I don't see it, cat. I want it. I mean, I want to see it real bad. Is it down here? Cat's telling me I can summon someone to help me with this guy. I don't recall ever summoning anybody. How am I not subbed here? Mistakes were made. Yellow Dart 6666. Yellow Dart, who are you, man? Are you new? You new to the stream from YouTube? Are you someone from the Facebook community? If you guys are new from YouTube, I am a Facebook gaming partner. And I've been committing to growing my YouTube channel. I'm talking like, I'm doing it by lives. I made one video, guys. You just got to learn how to make like great Mr. Beast style videos, which takes a lot of work. And then you got to be talented and good at it. And then you just got to do it for a long time, and you probably get some results. Yellow Dart, who are you from Facebook, man? Who are you? Okay, that right there, we cleared a problem. You got to talk to her first. Where is she? Oh, is it Nefeli? It's not Nefeli, is it? Because I talked to her once, but do I got to talk to her at the village? Did I pass her? I talked to Nefeli, and she helped me with... Oh, wait, here. One thing we got to do. We got to equip this, guys. It is... Which one do you put it? I put it right here. No. I put it right here. Switch. Inventorio. My $2,000 freaking lamp. Now I go E up arrow. We got light, guys. She's on the way up leading to the village. Right. Okay. I'm going back to talk to her. If she's here. I say that because Nefeli has been the, let's just refer to her as the elusive Nefeli. I think it means like your spirit summons the archer lady. Yeah, Nefeli. We're gonna steal her soul later and make her into a puppet. She's gonna be miserable. That's that guy. She's not here. I think I might have to talk to her at round table first to move her here. Did I pass her? It wouldn't be the first time I passed her. She's not here. She's not here. I looked. Oh, Timothy Herman. Cool, man. Welcome, dude. Thanks for being here, man. Thanks for subbing, dude. You spent some time on YouTube? Yeah, she's not there, though. GFR. Wait, come on, man. What? GFR. Okay. How hard is it? I got the macro in my brain, folks. I got the macro in my brain. Oh my, we got invaded already? What the WTF, bro? I feel like I should melee him. Stop with that crap, dude. That was a joke. I'm getting melted. You know why? Because I'm trying to do damn. Okay. I'm going melee, even though my melee weapon sucks. At least I hit him. He's got me trapped. Now I'm dead for sure. Rock Sling does not work in that situation. It's nice to see someone else also using keyboard and mouse to play the game. I can't deal with controllers. Demon, I can't either. Is it because of your age? I never learned how to play controller ever. Yellow Dart 6666 says this is where it started for me. We'll be relaunching as a hub with original subs content. Cool, Yellow Dart. Soon, nice. See, my weapon is not leveled at all. They didn't. Okay. Trying to think how I'm gonna freaking even kill that. I think I just have to keep making distance and glintstone pebble. There's a grace right here. I have another spell that might hit every time. Check it out, guys. Memorize spell. Let's put this one here. It's this one. Glintstone Arc, right? That spell. This spell might do it, guys. Because it hits an arc. This is where... Okay, yeah. You play in the background. Nice. I got a computer. Demon says really late. My only thing I had was PC, so I always play keyboard and mouse. You know what? Demon X Games, same thing, man. I got a computer when I was a kid. And I had a mouse, like, a long time ago. Okay? I had a mouse on, like, an Atari 1200 before I had a PC. Then I got, like, a... I don't even think it was a 286. It was an old computer. I mean, by today's standards. Okay, we're just going to go back. Y. It's like you have to do it slow. G, F, R. Okay. We have to take this guy out. Glintstone Arc is not exactly... They come this way, right? Oh, he dodges it anyway. It doesn't hit for much. Dodges him anyway. Look at that. He dodged them all. I'm going to run out of mana. Ooh, I dodged it. I was like, what if I dodge that? Okay, he got me on with the second one. That was a pretty big risk, guys. That wasn't as big of a risk. This is probably not the right spell for this. Do your spell again. Just keep spamming. Got him. Dude. What is it that triggers that invasion? Is it literally Godfrey? I felt like that's come so much later in the game. This is where it started for me, says Yellow Dart 666. Okay, got that. Dude. Yeah. Yeah, so I have never owned a console. I bought my kids an Xbox. I bought my kids a lot of stuff. Probably some PlayStations. Heck, maybe even a little, maybe even a GameCube. And a whole bunch of freaking Game Boys. Yeah. We had plenty of Game Boys, guys. They had red version, white version, blue version, purple version, every version, guys. Every version costs money, man. I feel like I should level this weapon up. Oh yeah. Oh, reaching the village, really? See, she's not here. Do I gotta talk to her dumb daddy? He's not here either. So I don't understand why I could be there. Maybe I'll rest. That's always what everyone says. Try resting. And you know what? The crazy thing is, sometimes it works. I rested, but she's not there, and he's not there. She's not downstairs yet. There's no way she's downstairs. I'm going to go look. She gets down here at the end of her quest line when she gets depressed. She'll be sitting right here when she's depressed. That's when you trick her into drinking the potion, and you turn her into your puppet, and you enslave her soul for all of eternity. Kind of like this dude with the freaking chain on his leg, man. That guy's screwed, man. I feel bad for him. I think I need like one smithing stone one. You may have to teleport out and back in. It's possible. We have no bell bearings. I have no bell bearings to bring. Pa-rum-pa-pum-pum. I feel like the freaking little drummer boy over here, guys. I showed up to the party with no gifts to bring, man. I have no bell bearings. I mean, that could be it, but it's not it. But we're going to try it. Poor guy, a few video game characters I have actually concern for. Now watch it not let me pour it out. Oh, wait. GFR. Okay. Yeah, no, there's something going on with Nepheli, man. There's just something about Nepheli. What a great movie. Anyone? Something About Mary? Great freaking movie. Poured it out. Oh, that stack of books right there. That stack of books I thought was her. And her dad's not here either. I might have done something wrong. I might have killed the wrong person or something. We already talked to the two fingers on this build, I think. We did. Yeah. Okay, well. Alberonics. Absolute zero. I got the grace, right? Oh, it's way over here. Isn't it weird? We got to take him without her, man. We just got no help. All right, time I went to class. I'm gonna be late. It's 12:26 p.m. for me. Hey, man, Demon X Games. Good luck to you, my brother. Kill it in class, man, and come back and see me. We're gonna be doing all the downloadable content. I'm gonna be playing a ton of Elden Ring between now and then. We got a cool community here, man. And so if you want to be part, throw me a sub, man. I'd appreciate it. I need like-minded people throwing subs. You know what I mean? I need people that like to chill, play games, try and do better than we did last time. Demon X Games, you got to run. I'm not going to ask you any more questions because I want to engage him. But, now after resting, I'm going to go look again. And going back to the round table and looking for it, right? I got to one more time. But, curious as to how many, I was going to ask him how many times he's finished the game. I don't know exactly where she stands. I think it's like right over here somewhere, right? I feel like I've run past her multitudes of times, guys. Let's turn the light on. I like to pick the pretty flowers. Whoa, whoa. Easy there, Turbo. You have no chill. Good luck to you as well. Have a great stream and already... Dude, thank you, man. I appreciate it. Guys, we're going to get to 4,000 subs. One sub at a time, baby. I got it. One sub at a time, and it didn't cost me a dime. I don't know for sure, but I'm guessing it's Jerry Reed, right? Anyone know? You guys know? Have you heard that song before? You guys like that? You guys like that move? Okay, we got to take him out. A lot of rock sling. The dog freaking... Oh, he almost got... Now, the other dog, I think, is over here somewhere. But I can't target him. My dogs are level 3, and I think they're a little high level for this region. Should I go down here and... There's a dog right there. Just go take him. There we go. Cool. No aggro. Good. Let's take all the amigos loot before. They should put loot right there. If you can climb over here, there should be loot. Rune art. Good. That'll come in handy later on the Elden Beast, folks. I don't... You know what I don't like? Oh, he's right there. I want to get back up here to the high ground. The rock slings. Oh my god, he moved. He moved. Horrifying! Let's get the dogs up, folks. Let's bring them in. That was pretty good timing. Back up. 1, 2. Get a stagger. If he stays still, we'll get a stagger. There's a stagger. Good, 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 good. He didn't stagger long, though, guys. He's coming for me. He doesn't care about the dogs. He doesn't care about the dogs! Oh, my God, my neighbors. I'm going to get freaking kicked out because I didn't freaking pay my rent. Okay, we got it. Rock sling, guys. Rock sling. Meteor staff. Alright? Early game, guys. Later on, you might pay for it a little. You might pay for it a little bit later, guys. You really might. Like, it doesn't slap as hard as a Lusatz or a glintstone, right? But you know what? It's a freaking staff. It's free, and it's my playthrough. My wolfsies are going away. How come? Now I'm mad. No, I literally tried to turn around and run by double mouse pushing. What's that from? World of Warcraft. Jeff Connolly says Rock Sling is the best spell, 100%. Jeff Connolly, how you doing, man? Bielski said Sling King back in the house. Dude, the community is coming together. Kat says, hey, Jeff. Good to see you guys. I love to see you guys communicate. And I love the way you guys have all been, like, connecting on the PS4s and what have you. You never accepted my PSN. Someone was mad at, like, another cheerleader. They're like, what's up, dude? You got to accept my friendship, bro. Y'all are gaming. I love that about you guys. Now, we did that. We're going to go back to Folly on the Lake because I think there's nothing left to get here. What we're looking for at this point in our life is map fragments. Say it together with me. Map fragments. Very good, class. Very good. Very good. How did I even get Folly on the Lake? There's no map frag. We just gotta run north, guys. We gotta run north, look for a freaking map frag, guys. That's all there is to it. What's going on tonight, Jeff? Tell me about the good stuff, man. Tell me about the good life. I was watching some streams, man. I was watching streams for hours. I made steak and eggs for dinner. Pretty spicy, folks. Rose Church, no grace. There is a grace west up here, though. We can run over and grab. Let's just go ahead and start talking to this fool so we can open up the... So we can open up the chicken farm that we're never going to be anywhere near. The festering bloody finger sounds like... That explains most of my relationships. Festering bloody finger. Okay. There is a grace over here. As I run to it. That's the great... Wait. Didn't I see... I guess not. Continue east, grab the grace, man. We ain't got a lot of time to screw around. We need water, guys. We need water. Can you tell? I'm starting to lick my lips. When I lick my lips, it's because I need water, guys. It's not because I'm hungry. I had steak and eggs. Is there loot up here? Oh, there's a grace right here. I never get this grace. What grace is this? Who even... It's like the hidden grace. It should be called Hidden Grace of the Hallowed Tree. This is invisible. We got it now, though. Fallen Ruins Lake. Grace. Good. Got you. Whatever. Okay. Directly behind me is a map frag. And this is a playthrough, folks. So based on it being a playthrough, we're not running through. We're not skipping map frags. We're not skipping a bunch of graces. I turned directly around. It looked like it was right behind me. I'm going to trust my instincts, folks. It's on the other side of the building. It is. Jeff Conley said not much good. Wake up 2 feet and it go hurting every morning till I take Advil. I'll be happy when 21st gets here so I can go to my new primary doctor and see what's up with me. Nice, dude. That is what we call a light at the end of the tunnel. Something to look forward to. I don't know if it's too personal medical information. Should I talk about someone else's medical information? We have a cat. Courtney and I have a cat. His name is Whittykins. He's a good cat. He just needs to get checked out. He's okay, guys. He's healthy. He's eating. He's good. But he needs to be checked out. So I have an appointment tomorrow. I have a lunch date. Whoop. Lunch date. A date in the middle of daylight? That's weird. To me, it is. Where the freak is it? It's over here. Where's the entrance? The gate. Open the gate. Not that gate, guys. I have a lunch date. I got to be there around 11:30 to 12ish. Now, first playthrough, guys. We have to get loot. Oh, God. Arrows. Who needs arrows? Ooh, we got the iframes on. Did you guys see that? Did you guys see the iframes on the horsey? I got the iframes on the horsey. So I got to be there a little early for lunch. And then around a couple hours later, there will be a veterinarian visit to take care of a beautiful cat that is dear and loved. And so we're doing that tomorrow. Appointments around 2, you know. I think I'll be back in time for Chest Detox Thursday at 4. If not, I'll just go live from the vet and be like, guys, guess what? I got to take care of a pet. And then I'll be half an hour late. Probably won't be. So, yeah, I hope things go well on the 21st. If you need any distractions on Elden, happy to help you. Cat is so nice, man. I'm telling you guys, the community is an amazing scenario. I have a reel right here, guys. It's a short. It's I think a YouTube short. Where I come like this, and the rune bear tackles me like a freaking football player. I literally fall and die to fall damage, and just as I start to dematerialize into dust, the rune bear tackles me from the side. It's freaking hilarious. I think that's on over there. I think that's a short, not a reel. You can find it yourself. Whoa. Smithing stone 2? I think I needed that for my... Okay, wait. Oh, yeah. We got a pooper still on us. No, I want to go northwest. Yeah. Cat, how did you even find us, Cat? I'm so curious. You found us on Facebook? After dark? Or did you actually come from YouTube? Because I'll tell you something right now. If we found Cat from YouTube, just that, and I'm not even BSing, just that is worth the maybe what's like the 70 hours the 70 hours of streaming I've done on YouTube. If you can add something like that to the community, that's worth 70 hours. Just you don't need 10,000 quality people to have the best community in the world, because most communities don't have 20 good people. You know what I'm saying? We're very fortunate. Very curious as to how Cat found us. I feel like Cat came around when I started going live on YouTube. We are streaming on Twitch too. If you're watching on Twitch, sorry I'm not looking at that chat. I am... Whoa. LOS. I mean, we could just reset and kill that dragon. Jeff Conley says, my 3-week leave of absence ends this Friday. I'm about to go back to work because if I don't, my phone will get shot because bill due soon, and then internet bill as well. Well, that's pretty freaking rough, man. You've had a major life-changing scenario. So, yeah, sorry about that, dude. Yeah, man. Kat says, yeah, I found you on Facebook. I'm Catherine McKay. That's right. Okay. Yeah. That's right. I didn't make the connection. I'm just thinking of Cat. Yeah, you were watching on Facebook for a while. Okay, we're gonna... Where's the... Oh, he's right there. Is that him? Yeah, oh, that's him. Rock sling. Dogs. Put it on his head. If I get all three, I might get a stagger. Yep. Come on, drink. That was a good start. The dogs are over there getting aggro, but he's going to freaking blow blue poopies. Woo! Do I know the drag? Oh, this is bad. We should not be lined up. They're just dying instantly. They're just, oh my god. I'm too low level for this, guys. Yeah. Wow. Like, that was like any dam and you die. You know what I mean? Jeff Conley says, I knew it happened before I took a leave of absence, but ain't no way I'm taking 2 or 3 more weeks off until the 21st gets here. Yellow said, true scholarship, dude. I feel like I want to go back and get my runes, see if I have enough for a level for some Vigor. Go and burn the remembrance from Margit. And then this might be just a little hint about what's to come. There we go. Okay, we're just going to get a little bit prepped. Guys, we have the means to make our character stronger. I think I get a free level right here. Almost 2. Guys, let's just do the nasty. Inventorio. The remembrance from the grafted. Use it. 30k? Give me 20k. Oh, you're such an easy boss. How embarrassing. How embarrassing. Level up. Okay, vigor. 1, 2. Int. 1, 2. And I have 43 of 74. I need a little under 3k. Inventorio, do we have more Roonies? Inventorio, try again. Okay, I need 3k. What does this give me? Oh, that's a good sign. Now we need like 1800. Inventorio. Do the math, folks. Do the math. 1800. 1600. Oh yeah, we're so close. Wait. I did the math wrong because... Nope, I need 300... Wait. 233 plus 7. 240. I need 240, guys. Sometimes you just gotta slow down and do the math. You know what I mean? Slow down and do the math. Inventorio, 240. Selected number. I don't even know what they're worth. We're just gonna go for the full 240. Was it 2k? No, I think we got it. I found Charlie when Elden Ring came out and was playing it. I had already bought and played Elden Ring. I have to admit, I've watched Charlie play Elden Ring more than I've actually played it. Caleb Boyd, I feel. I've watched Nick Merckx play more Warzone than I've played. And he even quit playing for a long time. I don't even know if he does anymore. There we go. And we go Vig 20. Because it's not a DPS problem. It's a squishy problem. Guys, we're coming back at this fool with 3 points of Vig and 2 points of Int. Intellect is massive amounts of damage. And Vig is, well, it's Vig. We know what Vig is, right? We need to get a flask, guys. We need to get the physic that does something. I'm using it as a health pot right now. That's embarrassing. Okay. One thing I'm going to do, too. I'm going to relocate. I think I'm going to waste mana, too. We don't have any Starlight Shards. One. Oh my god, didn't hit him. Two. See, I want to go over here. So when he shoots the blue poopy, the dogs are in his way. They're in the same spot though. Oh my god, I actually dodged a boss hit. I don't mind going for the mid drift. Okay, we didn't die. Where is he? One dog is up. Okay, and drink while we can. Where's your head, buddy? I couldn't do it, guys. There was no time. That dog's dead, though. Why you gotta kill my dogs, bro? Do it again. Do it again. Do it again! I want you to do it again, buddy. Yeah, I'm too squishy. That's cool, Caleb. Caleb said, oh yeah, right. Caleb said, Cat said, I didn't play Elden Ring after a year. It came out, was determined to finish the Horizon series. Spent 500 hours on both platforms. Wow. Okay, I think we know that we're too squishy for that. But if we're at Lenurna, oh, Carrier Manor. Now we have to get the rune. No, there's no. The runes I don't think were... It should tell you how many freaking runes you left on the table. Don't you guys agree? Should it say like, there's 500 runes there, don't bother going. Or there's, like on my other build, I left 1.3. You guys, I'm sure, have done the same thing. Yeah, didn't need those runes. I left 1.3 on my big bunk build. They were piling up. We were killing bosses. I picked them up every once in a while. I forget to pick up runes, guys. And I can't get a level on that character till 2 million. 2 million plus. So I'm like, what the hell am I supposed to do? Worry about 500,000 runes? Well, we got to 1.3. I should have took out my Elden Beast sword, went and did a couple swipes, and got another level, right? Guys, welcome to the coffee can. This is going to be quick, but I'm going to take about 1 minute because I got to run in that little door to the right, folks. Hey! Hey! Alright, guys. We had a coffee can. It's late. Okay, what do we got here? Carry Manor. I think I have to go back. Maybe I can go from here. Maybe I can head west. Oh yeah, we can. Absolutely. Is there a Dexter over here? What? I'm not learning. Am I learning? You see that freaking log was hung up on my freaking leg forever? Anyone see that? Is this a dead end? I feel like I know the Dexter is west. No, this is a dead end, man. I gotta go down. We gotta go further. Pew Nord. That's north, folks. That's north. We're gonna go to Carrier Manor. We're gonna take out Loretta, guys. Get back, Loretta! In your long neck sweater. We can get water. We're gonna get water. Does anybody ever get lazy or cheap or both and run out of water bottles and then save your last 2 water bottles and keep refilling them from the tap? Okay, this is 4 French fries, guys. We got to get the 4 French fries for later. Whoa, Everjail. Dude, I'm like a freaking... I'm like Jim Carrey, man. I'm like Jim Carrey in Dumb and Dumber. It's our last 20 bucks, man. Just the essentials. I come back with the freaking... the big styrofoam hat and the paddle ball. Woo! Yeah, that's me. I'm like, ooh, the four belfries. Let's go there. I got sidetracked, folks. We blew it. I wanted center mass. Well, I might have taken hits from all 3 of those. If I can get 3 of these, and now we got him center mass targeted. Come on. He might stagger. Hey! Out of mana. Problem is, I don't think you can chain back to back. That didn't really hurt, though. I want center mass. Dude, this guy's horrifying. He's so big. Oh, center mass! Center mass! 1, 2, and I'm dead. Now the stagger's not going to come. He got lucky with that. I'm going to be out of mana. Under your legs, buddy! Dude, that was late. You like the way I drank mana? Yeah, I went for the heal. I shouldn't have done that. Screen, you missed nothing, man. I actually pretended, guys. That wasn't even a real boss fight. That wasn't a real boss fight. That was just me, like, acting. I'm a really good actor. Why buy bottled water if you are going to use tap water? Well, I'm not really going to use tap water. The fact is, the tap water here, I think, is probably okay. Maybe not. I think I've been unhealthy enough in my life to where a little bit of tap water is probably not going to make a difference. Dude, that's what I got to buy, Caleb. Caleb, you just told me. Buy the filtered pitcher. We got him center mass, guys. But he's so close. Stagger. Mana. We're back in the game, guys. Okay, I gotta go faster this time. How did you get freaking clowned, buddy? Okay, 3. I should get 3 here, guys. I should get 3 here. 1, 2, 3. Hey, the stagger's real, guys. The stagger's real. This is the power. Oh, wait. Nope. Get him. Get him. Got him. Good. Dude, that's what you have to learn about when you hear about the meteorite staff and the rock sling. If you hit him with all 3 rocks 3 times in a row, you get a stagger. You can't chain stagger him. Sometimes it feels like it, though. I've had me and the Mimi, both with rock sling, against Millennia, and you get her up against the wall, and he's hitting her with 3, and I'm hitting her with 3. He gets a stagger. I hit her with 3. He hits her with 3. I get a stagger. He hits her with 3. I hit her with 3. He gets a stagger. I'm telling you, we've chain melted Millennium with this. Odds of that happening again, 1,300 hours. It might happen. Long live the Sling King. Cat McKay, do you ever play Souls game before Elden Ring? Asked Caleb Boyd. I had some knowledge of the Souls series, so when Elden Ring was announced, I pre-ordered the collection. Oh, did you really, man? That's cool. I don't know about Cat. I know my son, I remember my son playing Dark Souls. I'm like, what is this, son? Oh, it's this game, Dark Souls. Okay. What does it do? And he's fighting this freaking big... kind of like that right there, but it was slower and clunkier. And the boss is like, boom, and my son would dodge out of the way and then punish him, right? And then when my son actually came, my son was actually here at my house, and he was playing Elden Ring, goofing around. I think before he even played it himself, I think. And he runs up to a boss. I'm like, what are you doing? He's going to hit you. But he was like trying to get the boss to react, right? So he could then punish the boss. And I didn't even understand that. I didn't even know what that was. But my son showed me. And it works. It works, guys. Like this. I'm probably going to die. But the point is, he went like this. He's all, do something. He's like, okay, do something. Oh my god, he's on top of me, guys. Where's he? I'm out of here. But it was basically like that. And I'd never seen anything like that. Every boss I had fought in the game so far, I was like staying away and shooting them with the rock sling from like a million miles away, right? By the way, the arrows reach talisman. It works. Oh, no. This way. The arrows reach talisman works for a rock sling. It's a freaking joke. The rock sling shoots like a million freaking miles, guys. It's freaking hilarious. Cat says Elden Ring was my first Souls game, but I've been playing Dark Souls 3 recently. Really, Cat? I look at the other Dark Souls games, the older ones, and I'm like, I don't know if I can backtrack, man. And I know because, like, people were trying to get me to play old school RuneScape. Okay, I mean, that's an old game, right? But people trying to get me to play old school RuneScape, and I did. I streamed it here. It was hilarious. It was a great stream. Very well attended. And a whole bunch of people were like, what server are you on? And they teleported there. I was walking around, and there was like 12, 13 people behind me. And they were just walking behind me. I felt like Asmongold. I felt like a famous streamer, guys. It was hilarious. This is for later, guys. So, Skyrim. I tried Skyrim. Skyrim meant so much to so many people. But at the time, Skyrim was an amazing world of wonder. The graphics and the beauty and the gameplay was just nothing they'd ever seen before. And they fell in love with it, right? Okay, well, you know, teleport 10 years later after I've already played Elden Ring, and I'm like, Actually, I don't even know how old Skyrim is, man. I just know that it can be hard sometimes to go back to old games. Caleb says, cool. George Martin needs to finish the last 2 Game of Thrones. Oh my god, do I die here? Books, but I don't see that happening. He made his millions on the show. Yeah, books. Imagine, you know, making, $340 million. You wrote a couple books. You make a bunch of movies off a show. And then you'd be like, well, hey man, if I write another book, I'll make another $30 million. Yeah, how long does that take? Well, you know, a year and a half. It's like, no, I'm already rich. We'll just do another show. You know what they'll do? They'll hire writers, which they probably already have done. They'll hire writers to write episodes for the show and not have to do it based on a book. And then he won't have to write anymore. He just sells the name, get the money. Skyrim 2011. See? Yeah, thank you, Caleb. Thank you so much for looking that up. Yeah, so see, Skyrim was, what, 12, 13 years ago. Is a minute. Okay, we are going to see the great... Oh, we should probably put a sword up so we don't have to whack a dog. We're gonna whack the wall, folks. I should be able to roll into that, yeah. The more Souls games you play, the more you learn how to roll through a wall, folks. No, I just know that from this game. Skyrim. Did you play Skyrim, Caleb? Charlie, they're worth checking out. Yeah, I'm desperate for the books, too. The sad part is, now, I saw someone loot something over here. And I'm like, where? How come I didn't know that loot was there? It was over here somewhere. I don't see it. Can you jump around this? Nope. It's only 5,000 rooms. It's not even a level. Oh wait, we've had a couple deaths, so we're gonna add a couple. I'm only doing a death counter to keep count. I'm trying not to die. I wanted to actually not really make it a no death run, but like to try and do a no death run when I started. And then I freaking tried to kill the tree sentinel outside of you know where. Like right at the beginning of the game. And yeah, I died and I was so mad at myself. This guy only has sombers, right? You got sombers?
I presume.
This guy's got sombers, guys.
Oh, pardon. I
didn't get my runes.
So perhaps.
Perch A's. Yeah, he's got sombers. The reason I'm curious about sombers, I knew I could do that. But you can't do it this way? Why would it? It just fell. Yeah. I knew I didn't have to look it up. It was a Bethesda fan, right? Up till Starfield, right? Like if you buy a physical copy of the game, it's not all on disc. You have to download the rest of the game. What's the point of that? Yeah, so you're saying Bethesda is not like that? Ooh, I went to freaking no, we can teleport to the grace if we need to. I want my runes and I want to make this jump. Because I know you can. Why could you make the jump one way but not the other way? But I want my runes too. Donate a stat. There they are. Nope. I knew. I didn't run. I'll do this all freaking night. I'm not going to. I'm not going to. We're going to nail this right now, guys. Stega Marika. Same spot. Grab the runes and maybe you can't. Maybe they it's a level thing. Maybe it's higher coming than it is going. You know what I'm saying? If the dogs weren't freaking here, I wouldn't be stressed about it, but they're just dogs. Okay, let's look at this. Okay. Come on, slow down. Why is it doing that? I mean, how hard was that? So you can jump around. Now, can you jump around this side too? You guys know this? I would say this side, no. That side, no. It's not hard, guys. Okay. We got the grace. Get the poopies moving forward. Let's go to Carrion Manor and take out... Huh! That jump I know, guys. That jump I know. I goof around sometimes. I like to let it get... Oh! Dude. Those things could have jacked me up, bro. They could have ruined my weekend. Because I like to wait. I like to wait. You know what I mean? On those. And just gamble a little bit. See if we die. The Witcher. I heard about The Witcher, man. People recommended that to me. Console owners, the game Starfield isn't complete on disc. I think I'm gonna waste a health pot so I don't die. And oh, we don't need sombers. What I need is smithing stones, like that. That's what I need. Exactly what I need. Oh, there's gonna be a big hand right here. No? That's gonna be a somber. And it's gonna be a trap. A little baby trap. It's not too bad. It's not too much. Too much? It's not too much. He's gonna shoot a poopy at me, and I wish there was a way I could avoid that. He didn't hit me, but I mean, I wish I could stop him from shooting the poopy. Dude, people wanted me to stream The Witcher, man. People were talking about that game. What is The Witcher basically about? Smithing Stone 4. We might get to level our sword, because this little sword I have, I might just keep it. And just level it up, just to have an offhand. You know what I mean? I don't need the best offhand. I'll take the beginning game starting offhand. We don't need to do anything here, except we don't need a Sword of Night and Flame. Okay, wait. Now we get our stand back. Get some stand back. Now just burn it. Just burn it. What you got, buddy? You suck at the game, bro. You may as well not even exist at this school. It's based off the novels. Oh, I think I've heard of them too. I never watched a series on that. Never watched a series. The Witcher. The Witcher. I watched True Blood. You guys know True Blood? The Netflix shows were awful? Really? That's rough. When they make awful shows. Never looked over here. Never looked over here. You know why? So I was smart. As well as Elden Ring. Yes, stream The Witcher. Amazing game. Really? I'll tell you, if there was like a... I don't know, man. There's things with streaming where, like, if I just wanted, like, an easy path, I actually, believe it or not, I just watched a video on my desktop. I'm not, like, the best Call of Duty player. I actually, guys, I don't know if you guys know, like, I'm better than you. Like, I actually, I can play Call of Duty. I'm not a great Warzone player. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, no. You're not even supposed to be here. I'm not like all into the battle royales. This guy's strong, dude. It's a lot of mana, man. I need the mana for the other fools. That gave me a second. 2 more shots. But it does. I mean, it doesn't take long for me to just start going into multiplayer. Not Warzone. Regular COD multiplayer. After about a half an hour, I'll play like 3 matches, and then I'll just start winning matches. You know what I'm saying? I can play, and I like that, but it's not what I want to do for a living. And there are people that get stuck playing Warzone. And they're like, I'm making this much money a month playing Warzone, and if I stop, they try something else, and their viewership falls off. Right? That happens. That's just real life. And so, I don't want to get stuck playing freaking Warzone, man. I'm not even saying I could be great at Warzone. But Call of Duty. Because I could play Call of Duty. But I don't want to. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to. Whoa, okay, drink. Now, if it was only the big guy, I wouldn't be scared. There's a freaking wolf over here, too. So, I could play a lot of different games, but I just always end up playing the ones I want to play. Is the point of all that malarkey? You got a lot of books on Audible. You a little bit listen to some of the novels. Yeah, True Blood's great, Cat. You know, what's that freaking book called, man? Oh my god, it's the one with the. It's based on the old 80s, all the old 80s 8-bit games. With the kid. The kid, like, basically is going to inherit Microsoft. Oh my god, this freaking wolf, man. Is that the same wolf? I think I can reset him if I run. Oh my god, there's a... No, I already got that. Yeah, he's gonna reset. He lives in the stacks. Oh my god! What? He won't... He's gonna chase me to the ends of the earth like Mal'Ganis? Dude, no freaking dog chases anybody this far. You know what I'm talking about? What is it? Halliday. Halliday is the guy who owns the big company. He's like Microsoft. Do you guys know this movie? This book? They made a movie too, actually. I just can't think of what it's called. Anyway, freaking great book, man. I mean, I didn't read the book. I listened to the book. And it was amazing. What? Okay. Oh, no. I don't want to reset. You know why? Because I already got one bad guy down. Oh, but I'm going to have to reset. No stagger. Just spam, guys. I forget the True Blood, a book or a game. That's cool, kid. True Blood is a show on I'm guessing Netflix. About vampires, Vampire Bill, and Jessica. Well, I wanted to kill that guy. The problem is, yeah, he got me good. I shouldn't stand here. I got no freaking yeah, we got nothing. Okay, now we're gonna run past. Yeah, True Blood was a series I think on Netflix, and I don't know if it was a book or not, but it's just it's a pretty cool show, man. Now we're just gonna run, guys. But I know the trick here too. Crouch. Be nice. Don't do anything stupid. Those dogs, they're a little stronger than normal dogs. Okay. No way. Am I too small? Am I too low level for this? Am I too low level for this, guys? I'm getting freaking just like one-shotted. Loretta's a joke. Loretta's a freaking joke, guys. I should be able to take out Loretta. Wish me luck. I think I'll get staggers here too. If I hit Loretta. And I got shot. Okay, so I think maybe we need to Google what level carry a manor. Does anyone know? What level carry a manor? Once you arrive at the manor entrance, the bolts stop, touch the site of grace, and restore your flask if need to be. You should also be at least level 60 before attempting the manor with a weapon that's +8 or thereabouts. It's possible to complete at a lower level, but it's also much more difficult. Level 60. Let's just go ahead and double check our level right quick, folks. Double check our level. Status. We're level 35. So what the frick am I supposed to do between now and carry a manor? There's nothing left to do, guys. Look at the freaking map. How do we miss this? We're going to grab that right quick. How did we miss 25 levels? Oh, we haven't done Sophia River. I think that is definitely a few levels. Sophia River. Kalid's still too hot. Sophia River, guys. Sophia River. And we didn't exactly mutilate Whispering Peninsula. La 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 la. We did okay in Lenurna. We did some of it, right? But this one right here, guys, we got to go there. Harry Potter on Audible is amazing. Most of my library, says Caleb, consists of science fiction books and some fantasy. Ready Player One. Did you guys, I was watching chat. Did you guys see it? Did you guys say it? Do you guys know what I'm talking about? Ready Player One, you know that game? Or that book? It was a book in a movie. Ready Player One was freaking great, man. Harry Potter on Audible is amazing. I should get Harry Potter on Audible because I never read the books. And my kids, all three of my kids read all the Harry Potter books. More than one of the kids, I believe, read them more than once. I never read them. I saw the movies. Yeah, I think the books are better. Audible book would be great. I forget True Blood, a book or a game. Okay. Yeah. I have hardly any books on Audible, but that Ready Player One. Great one. Okay, I'm going to tell you guys this. We had a nice, chill stream. I had a detox after freaking watching Little Aggie play perfect Elden Ring against random bosses with random items for like almost 4 hours. And then he missed a dodge on a random crappy boss that is unreadable. And I wanted to get this astrologer going. So that's good. Carry a Manor? Maybe not. Ready Player One? Yeah, truth. Hey, Jay, how you doing, man? Good to see you. Jay, you just came into the end, and I'm glad you showed up because I want to tell you goodnight. I love you, my brother. And we got some good stuff done. I'm at Carrier Manor, way too low level. This is what I do sometimes, guys. I push a little hard, right, with a rock sling. Tomorrow, I have a doctor's appointment for the cat at 2, but I'm going to be there early. So I should be back by 4 for chess at 4. If not, I'll go live and tell you guys, but we'll be there at 4. Chess streams are very important at this point in my life, folks. I want to thank Caleb and Kat and Truth and Demon X Gaming. You guys were like the rock stars of the chat tonight. Demon X Gaming, Jeff Conley, rock star of the chat. Demon X Games. Yellow Dart 6666666, that guy. Yeah, you guys were the rock stars of the chat tonight. Adam Freeman came in early, man. Yep. Cameron Ayers was here. Then Kevin Cook was here, man. Thanks for coming in and saying hello. You guys that's great support. Kevin Cook said, hey, chillers, and then appears to maybe have left. You know what that's called? Support. Freaking love you guys. I will catch you guys tomorrow. Bigger, stronger, faster. Love you guys. Whoa. Window key, please.